She said, boy, without a doubt, have you quit your mess and straighten out? You can die down here or be another accident statistic. Since it's a slow, yes, it's a slow train coming. Thank you very much.